Tired of hunting for the perfect logic chip? What if you could just make your own?
Well, you can. It's all about creating the exact digital brain your project needs from scratch. And you do it with a CPLD. Think of it as a blank canvas for your digital logic. This means less wiring and a much cleaner design. It's all packed right into one single component. Okay, so how does it work? Let's imagine this CPLD is a tiny digital city that you get to build. Your city has logic blocks for thinking, a switch matrix to connect everything, and I/O blocks. Now those I/O blocks are the key. They're the physical bridge from your design to the real world. They work like two-way gates, sending signals out to a pin or bringing signals in. And look at this. In the software, you literally just assign your logic to a physical pin. So what you're designing on screen gets mapped one-to-one right onto the chip's actual pins. All right, enough theory. Let's see this in action with a cool student project, a vending machine. First, they designed the logic in software. This circuit here is what selects one of the 4 items. Then, they programmed the CPLD and connected its I/O pins to real switches and LEDs. Simple as that. And just like that, the digital design is now a physical, working circuit. Check out that light. And that is the power of a CPLD. You are in complete control of the hardware, start to finish. This tech is totally accessible now. So the only question is, what custom chip will you build?